the Trading College podcast. Thanks for joining us, and remember to subscribe for future updates.
Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of the very popular podcast here at Trading College. I want to talk about trading scams because I was watching last night with my 16-year-old daughter the documentary with Louis Theroux and the Manosphere, and it just absolutely shocked me, and it just made me realise if you ever get to watch it, guys, just be prepared to be shocked, okay? Because it was a shocking documentary, and the exposure of these so-called influencers that live out in the likes of Dubai and tend to be living out there, and that seems to be where they're getting attracted to live out in Dubai. I can't imagine moving out there and living there and being around those types of people. But it has filtered into the trading world. And if you just type into Instagram these days, don't do it if you don't want to have this, but if you type into Instagram just trading, you'll get just bombarded with the algorithm giving you, these young lads and sometimes young women, tips about trading. And these lads and ladies are very young. They're in their early 20s, and there's no harm in trying to better yourself and try to make money. Absolutely no problem whatsoever. They're talking about trade in the markets like they've been in the industry for 25 years. And there are so many of them that appear in Instagram. You just got to be careful who you can trust, and it's getting harder these days to realize. So I just want to give you some pointers in this direction. If they're pretty young, in their early 20s, advertising trading education, then you pretty much know they got no experience whatsoever. And I reckon a lot of them have got pretty lucky in this latest bull market that we've seen over the last, since 2009. You could have bought any stock and it would have made you money, pretty much so, and you would have got pretty lucky. Now we're going into a bear market type territory, trend in the stock markets. They all seem to be a little bit quieter. They don't have the experience really of trading in bear markets, and so the luck will run out. So you need, if you're going to get coaching, and you need coaching, everyone needs coaching to become a good trader, then make sure you pick the right mentor and coach that has had the experience of trading in bear markets as well as bull markets, guys. And I think the younger people of today, they're advertising their coaching at the age of 20, have never seen a bear market. So there's that to consider as well. And it makes me really sick when I see a lot of these online influencers in the trading world on Instagram advertising things like, they're in a helicopter, they're in private jets that have been hired. They're in front of mansions and swimming pools in Dubai. And that is fake, guys, okay? Because trading is hard. Trading, you need to learn the skill. You need to go through a process of education to be able to do this. And to make all that money as a 22-year-old that quick, it's just a scam, all right? Especially if they're advertising themselves in front of helicopters and so on. All right, so just be really careful with that. And I think one of the things that alarms me more than ever, and my friends where I live here, my golfing buddies and dads that were at the school gates when I first met them, they've got young lads that are 16 years of age, and they're asking me to learn, can I teach them to trade the markets? And I've done that. I've popped across, we met in the pub, and I showed, we had a few beers, my friends, and then I showed the young lads, what trading was all about, and showed them the charts and stuff. And I wonder where they're going to now online, learning how to trade the markets. And there seems to be this new terminology as well that is you get this in professional football as well. I'm hearing things like liquidity sweep. I mean, guys, a liquidity sweep. You hear that terminology, young people saying liquidity sweep. Well, basically, it's a fake out breakout of a resistance area. And in professional football, you hear that as well. The transition from in this team was fantastic. You mean just a breakaway from the back? So there is this new language around trading. It is coming from younger people, and it is it's just a gimmick. It really is, because nothing changes in trading. We have charts, we have uptrends, we have sideways markets, we have downtrends, we have breakouts, and we have fake outs, and we have indicators. Okay, so it's an interesting time, and as I said, I don't mind the kids, the youngsters going to learn to trade and make money, but handing it over to learning and giving that education to people, and charge them serious amounts of money to learn to trade with lack of experience. Okay, so you got to remember there are FCA regulation and issues as well. You cannot give anyone advice. There is no way you should be advising anyone to put a trade on or recommend a trade like buying gold or something like that. I saw that recently. I popped onto a webinar recently because I was fascinated with what they were trying to do. And if the FCA saw that, they would just close them down, possibly give them a huge fine, because what they were doing was illegal. And if they get caught, then they would seriously be in trouble. Okay, so it's a tricky time to think about who or to realize who is genuine and who is not. But there's several things. There's about 7 points here I want to give you to identify a reputable company. Okay, somebody like Trading College, we've been around since 2008. I started trading in 2004. That's 22 years ago, and I'm still doing it. The company is still teaching people. If it wasn't a reputable company and we weren't doing the right things, educating the right way, we wouldn't be around, guys, for this long period of time. We're all qualified technical analysts from the Society of Technical Analysis, which is the oldest society of technical analysis, which is charting, in the world. All right, so I've spoken at their events, their Christmas party. I presented beforehand, and we had drinks afterwards. I've spoken numerous times at that society, and presented with my trading strategies. We got awards as well from the leading industry shows. So that we've got that for several years. Best trading system, best mentorship program, best customer support from the traders, the trading shows that are in London every single year. Been on TV at the biggest brokers in the UK, IG Index. I did their technical analysis and got invited on to the show. The biggest brokers in the world. I'm not going to invite young lads on to the shows to talk about trading. I've got a book out, Goals to Goals, so you can read about the history of myself. Started as a professional football player for Stoke City, Sheffield United, Portsmouth, Reading, England under 18s. I went on. I talk about the story in the book. And this is an interesting area, because I feel sorry for companies as well. And this is legitimate reviews online. And we live in a world where you go and I when I'm booking a hotel, I just go and have a little look at the reviews. Now, something happened to me several years ago, us as a family. We couldn't believe how fantastic the reviews were for this hotel. They were just brilliant reviews. Everyone, brilliant reviews. We got there and there was nothing like the reviews. And I felt as though the hotel had literally paid for those reviews. I really felt that. And I just couldn't believe that reviews were genuine, because the hotel, it was a lovely 5-star hotel, but what the reviews were saying was just not true. Didn't ring true. That gut feeling just didn't really ring true at all. And, we had somebody recently that put a bad review about us, and they've never even been on our course. We don't even know the name. And the person never attended any of our courses, never paid for any of our courses or software. And that's really disappointing, because that is not genuine at all. And it's people just trying to do harm to other companies, which is not great. And people pay for reviews as well. So you've got to be careful, guys, out there. But genuine reviews. We have events where you can come to see us in person. We do the mentorship day every single month, where you can actually come and talk to us in person, talk to other students as well. And that is, if you're learning from some guy in Dubai, young lad in Dubai, you don't even know these people, okay? You probably don't even meet them. So we have events all the time, all right? So make sure that, if you want to come, just make sure you speak to us in the office. We've got people that will support you. I've got a team of people who have been with me since day one. And the only way you're going to keep your team is if you do the right thing. And that's what we do here at Trading College. So going back to, the scams and stuff, trading isn't easy, guys. You need to learn how to do it properly. If I can do it, you can do it. If our students can do it, you can do it. You just need to learn the skill, understand risk, understand strategies, and then it becomes easier, all right, to trade the markets. You can make a really nice living out of this. Are you going to have a helicopter and a Ferrari in the next month? No, that's not going to happen. But could you make some really nice profit? Yes, you could. All right, so it doesn't really matter how much money you've got in your trading account. If you don't know how to trade, you're not going to make any money. So the combination really is, if you know how to trade the markets and you've got some funds, maybe a funded account, and you've got the ability to know what to do once you've been taught properly, then you can go on and make a really nice career out of this. And this is what we do here at Trading College. We educate. It's so important, but we educate in the live markets, doing live trading and live education in events every month, online trading room every morning, and so on, okay? We cannot give alerts out, we cannot give recommendations, but we can show you exactly how to trade and do it so you can do this for the rest of your life, okay? So I just wanted to talk a little bit about scams after watching that documentary last night, because it did hit a bit of a nerve with having three daughters, and two very, young daughters, one at the age of 16. And, I sat there and watched it with her last night, and I thought it was terrible. And it just shocked me a little bit the way these guys were behaving to young women. And God help the young lads of today coming through at the age of 16, being influenced by these people. And it's just not how you should treat women at all. Okay. All right, guys, have a great rest of the evening. And I'll speak to you on the next podcast. Take care.
The Trading College Podcast. Thanks for joining us, and remember to subscribe for future updates.